In our last video, we learnt about why A, an and the are called articles, isn't it? Now we will learn about where to use A and where to use an and where to use the. So shall we start? A is used before words that start with consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are the sounds made by all the letters other than A, E, I, O and U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. Okay, other than these vowels, other alphabet are called as consonants. Which are the vowels? Which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U and U, isn't it? These are called vowels. Other than these letters, other alphabets are called as consonants. Wherever you can find vowels, you are not supposed to use A. Okay, other than vowels, you can use A. Okay, for example, this is a cat. Can you see a vowel sound in this? No. Cat, cat. See, isn't it? Cat. This is a rat. R is not a vowel. Rat. There is no vowel sound in this, isn't it? So, this is a rat. Now you understood where to use A. Now, let's move ahead with an. Where to use an? An is used before words that start with vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are the sounds made by the letter A, E, I, O and U. See, A is used only for the consonant sounds and an is used only for vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels, no? We use an only when we can see or we can hear vowel sound like apple, A, apple, orange, O, orange, and ant, an apple, an orange, an ice cream. Okay, now you understood where to use A and an. See, Sheila has an orange. The word orange start with letter O. O is an vowel. Okay, that's why Sheila has an orange. Now this is an ant. This is an ant. Ant. The word ant start with the vowel, that is A. And we must use an when the word start with the vowel. Okay, children. Now understood where to use A and an. Now let's move ahead to the. Where to use the or the. When we speak about something for the first time, we use A. After that, we use the. When we speak about the same thing again, the is also used to speak about something in particular. Okay, let's see some example. I'll explain it afterwards. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. When we speak about something for a first time, Here in this example, we are talking about a rabbit for the first time, and when we are repeating or when we are talking about the rabbit again, we are using the, because we are very particular about the thing or a person or animal we are speaking about. We are speaking about the rabbit for sure, isn't it? That's why we are using the here. This is a rabbit. When the first time we are speaking or we are talking about the rabbit, we are using the. When we are continuing speaking about the rabbit, there we are using the, because we are particularly talking about the rabbit. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. Understood where to use the now? Next example. Ira went to the park that is near her house. Ira is very particular. She is going to the park where that park is very nearer to her home. That means Ira is well aware of that park. She daily goes to that park and plays there. That's why she is particularly talking about the park where she daily plays, isn't it? That's why she is using the. Ira went to the park that is near her house. Understood, children? Where we use the. Okay? I hope all of you understood where we use a, an, and the. A is used only with the word starts with consonant sounds, and an is used only with the words which start with vowel sounds, and the when we use the, when we are particular about a thing or a person or a place, that time we use the. Okay, children, revise once again. Have a nice day. Thank you.